Alright, so today we are on the front porch and I'd like to try to get some of the overhangs on the front porch. I'd like to get some of the soffit put up, mainly on these bottom kind of sections. This kind of Gable front porch section, I might have to get a bigger ladder to do it, but try to work on these. The soffit I use, it's from Speed Lap. It's a metal soffit. It's kind of like the board and batten and stuff. It kind of doesn't lock into each other, but it's got grooves and things like that in it to where it's contoured to where it'll lock into it. Then I use this stapler, Milwaukee stapler, to then out on the ends lock it in. But the way it works is I have a specialty, not really special, but it's just kind of like a custom trim made that I put on the kind of the inside section. And what it does is here, let me see if I can show you. Thought I had a scrap piece, but it's kind of like a mini J. Just kind of makes that section. I come in here and I staple along this on this inside part. And how that works is then I'm able to, let me grab one of these. Doing it that way, then what I'm able to do is whenever I'm going through, which I mean, I'll kind of show it to you here in a minute, but see, this is the soffit. This one's just a black, but it's metal. But see, you've got this kind of channel here. How it works is you take another piece, you get this up there and stapled it up, and then it just locks in here and put your staples. But how it works is you'll have this trim on this side, and then I just come through there and this will fit in there just like that, see? And then whenever it's up there like that, that'll fit into there, and then I just put some staples here and it holds it. Then you just lock your next one and keep going. So it's worked good so far. This stuff's super easy to put up. I like it a lot better than different kind of soffits. It's just a lot quicker. It's already painted, low maintenance down the road. You just kind of spray it off and wash it as you go. But so I like to try to get these two sides done, and that way eventually then I can put my fascia trim on, get these boards covered up. Well, I got the trim up there and had the phone recording, and it got too hot, so it didn't record me putting the actual soffit up there. But I'll try to get it on the south side of the house. Hopefully it won't get too hot on that one, but kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. But this is it installed. I mean, this whole side maybe took me 10 minutes to install. 20-foot section. Super easy to work with. Looks really good, but like I said, it just interlocks together. But what I'll come back and do is I got a fascia trim that'll come and cover up that piece of wood. It'll screw in from the bottom, so it'll kind of add as like an extra secure spot on the end of the soffit. That way it's not just those staples holding it in. It'll be some screws in there too. Alright, we're back on the front porch soffit. It's the next day now. Yesterday it was just so hot and I couldn't get the camera to cool off enough to work, and it's 4th of July weekend, so I ended up going spending some time with the family. But alright, we're gonna get back to finishing putting up this soffit on this south side of the house. Alright, so I got that side done. Turned out good. See if I can get over here and kind of get a shot of it. That's what she looks like. Now like this over here is kind of a little corner detail, I guess. I got the other side done yesterday. It's not 100% done, but I got a few little pieces I got to do. But that's kind of what it'll look like. I got to put the fascia trim on that side, and then of course the soffit will go up this gable part. I got the fascia trim put on this front side yesterday too. You may be able to see it, may not. I'm gonna work on that a little bit today. Not probably gonna get a full day in today just because it's July 4th and stuff. And I think we planning on taking the kids and going swimming. Alright, so finally got that done. Turned out pretty good. Let's see if I can get a good view of it. Got the soffit up there, the fascia trim, and they got this little detail done. Still got to put a soffit trim piece on there, but there'll be a soffit trim piece that goes there. Then I got to do all that. Turned out really good. I'm liking the way it looks. I love that soffit, speed lap soffit. That stuff works really good. Well, I got the front porch, the gable part, the soffit on. I'm working on doing the roof metal and stuff and finishing the trim. I got the soffit on, it turned out pretty good. Kind of a closer up view of it. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Like I said, I got a little bit of metal to do on this side, and then one sheet over on that side, and then put the fascia on. Well, put the fascia trim on, and then put your corner brake trim on. And then got a little bit to do on the ridge cap, but contemplating trying to find a different way of doing the ridge cap. Some of it, the angle that it has to be bent at and stuff is kind of rippling, and I don't like seeing the ripples in it, so I may end up replacing it or trying to find like a thicker metal to bend the trim out of so it don't oil can and stuff like that too bad.